అంతర్జాతీయ స్టార్టప్ ఫెస్టివల్ 2024 హైదరాబాద్లో 50,000 గ్లోబల్ స్టార్టప్ పీచ్లు 500 ప్లస్ పెట్టుబడిదారులకు ఆతిథ్యం ఇస్తోంది. ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్టార్టప్ ఫెస్టివల్ యొక్క 3 ఎడిషన్ ISF 2024 సెప్టెంబర్ 26 నుండి 28 వరకు ఇంజనీరింగ్ స్టాఫ్ కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియాలో జరగనుంది. ఇన్నోవేషన్ అండ్ ఎంటర్‌ప్రెన్యూర్‌షిప్ ఇన్ ది ఆల్ ఎరా అనే లక్ష్యంతో ISF 2024 ముందుకు వెళ్తోంది. ఆల్ ఎరాలో గ్రామీణ జనాభాపై స్థూల మూలాల్లో ఆవిష్కరణ ఫండింగ్ శీతాకాలాన్ని పరిష్కరించడానికి స్టార్టప్లు ఏర్పాటు చేయనుంది. ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి ముఖ్య అతిథులు తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర ముఖ్యమంత్రి రేవంత్ రెడ్డి, డిప్యూటీ సీఎం భట్టి విక్రమార్క, పరిశ్రమల ప్రముఖులు హాజరు కానున్నారు.
Generative tools, they can create any language solution if you prompt BTech computer science or any IT related. Industry say no jobs, no internship. The quality of the people who are coming out of the institutions, last 5-10 years people have been talking, if you interview 1,000 people, maybe one person is selected for any job. It is better because they are getting a lot of new projects and all this thing, there is no manpower. That's the time they went to all colleges all over India, whether it's a college in a small village or town or this thing, or whatever the packages, this thing they started giving because they have to complete those projects on future of work. That clearly they mentioned, the World Economic Forum report, that nearly 80 million jobs are going to be taken away by the automation, all the tools, whatever your at the same time they mentioned about 60 million new jobs are going to be created using the generative AI and AI. So in the next 5 years, unless they have cross-domain skills, they will not be able to survive and they will not be able to get any jobs. That is a really scary thing because that's one data point. Second data point, I was in US about a month back. The people who are studying in schools, that's why we kept 8 years to 18 years as unicorns. And I am getting the requests from all over the globe. Lot of people who are already demonstrated their entrepreneurial spirit. From US alone, there are about more than 10 such students who are studying in the schools. They already created products and all that. And similarly from London, a lot of people are coming. India also, a lot of such students who wants to demonstrate their the capability to create new age startups. So my gut feel is India is going to produce more unicorn from the unicorns. So we are creating a new club called ISF Unicorn Club, like any other clubs, this thing. From all over the world, whoever wants to be an entrepreneur, this thing, that age limit, they will get some of those privileges because we are going to connect them to the investors and mentors, all that we will be doing. Globally, as I mentioned, he is going to create virtual and physical world's largest incubator facility. He says this will be much better than Y Combinator. Everybody knows what Y Combinator has done. I think every entrepreneur wants to get into Y Combinator so that their valuation will go up and all that. So he says this will be kind of a Y Combinator plus. That's what he's trying to do. So this is the first collaboration with ISF.